Next, make sure sa opposite side ka nung fire nung 1. Kung lilingon ka sa left, then lilingon ka sa right. Ganun lang.
Barangay Apal. Hold on, actual. Sino nga ulit yung Alpha Actual? Wait, kala ko ikaw. Copy. Alright, bravo. Let's scan this ditong barangay na to and see if yung may makikita kayong civils or any intels.
Body system ba to, sir, o one by one?
Body yan siyempre.
Tarik
Sa Ramon eh.
Lead the way, Jericho. All body mo.
Second last Alpha Actual.
Hello? Tabo. Oh. Body's home.
Oh, okay, bravo.
What's your position?
Building.
Hello, sir.
Blue house.
Hello, sir. Tabo. Oh, shit. Kita na pala dito yung ano.
Yung, may naririnig ang barilan.
Kita na pala dito. Moro yung ano. Yung factory.
Versions.
Kita na dito sa may blue building yung factory.
Copy. I'm on distance. 1 clicks, 500, 700.
Stand by. 675.
Alpha, be advised, we got eyes on dito sa...
I think some of the guards are active. Get out. Nix. Crouch.
Crouch, okay.
Clear na dito.
Moro, engage na ba sila?
Negative. Sabi sa kanila is parang may tinetest lang daw na armaments.
Sir Moro, di na namin tinuloy sa dulo. Kailangan mo pa ba na ituloy namin doon?
Wait, one. Sige lang, kung kaya pa. Wait one, standby. Collect tayo sa convoy.
Nasa Ramon eh.
Copy. Left tayo sa convoy.
Kay Jericho, kung kaya mong mag-drive, ikaw na mag-drive.
Copy, sir.
Are we moving up?
Hold on, standby. Open your engine na lang. Alpha, this is Bravo. Bravo is already set. Waiting for your signal. Engage over. SPF is yung mga position na lang dyan sa by the road na lang. Kaya I think no need na. They're getting engaged. Standby. Actual, we can move up na para assist na kayo.
Gunfire na yun, sir.
Wait lang, ayaw pa niyang mag-signal eh. Alright, mount up. We're pushing up.
Big ready.
Go, move. Position natin.
Kain tubig na habang may panahon pa, mga sir.
Six, get ready.
Ready pa.
Big one gunner sa front. Big to sa right. Scratch that left.
Big one, gunner up front.
Oh, what the?
Very 315.
315, sir. 315,
Actual, get into your staging area. Wait for Bravo team to arrive.
Yes, sir.
Dito lang muna tayo. Line fire. May friendly tayo sa left. May friendly tayo sa left. Alright.
I'm up. Nabigla ako.
Top that last.
On my
Bravo,
on my command.
overwatch natin.
9 for me.
Pero muna ito, stay lang sa gunner. Stay lang sa gunner.
Sir, sin medic. Nabangga ako.
UAV is
Information
now in
on
the
my
AO.
command.
Oh.
Move. Stingray actual,
We're moving. Assault kami sa POE. Solid copy.
Copy. Gun stop lang.
Babato ako ng mga smoke pag nawawala na. Smoke, hindi grenade ha, smoke lang. Smoke grenade.
Stingray actual, nasa land bridge na kami. Over. Copy. Here's the intel galing sa UAV natin. There are many hostile movements sa external ng wall and there are 4 unknowns sa loob ng internal compounds. What? Alright. So you're gonna have a lot of enemies activities sa labas ng mga buildings nila.
Ano tayo, left na wall.
Shift fire left. Copy,
Shift fire left.
Shift fire left.
Free fire left.
Wag masyadong left.
Stay lang kayo sa gunner nyo. Wait lang, Secretary
Shift
ko,
fire
hindi
left
ka pa
lang.
tapos. Copy that.
Next, let's go.
Let's go.
Let me know
Baba na
kung goods yung ano mo, angle mo.
Maganda.
Okay.
May kalaban na tower. May tumalon na tao doon sa tower. Kalaban ba yun? May nakita akong kalaban
Thank you, Sir
na
Mark.
tumatakbo.
Enemy, shoot.
Bravo sa external.
Nakatago sa likod. Ay, nakita ko.
External meron.
Bravo, sa may external. Bravo, actual, can I borrow one of your Humvee dito?
Ay,
Hold on, we're so busy.
okay na. Cover na.
Ano ko yung, weak one. Hold on, standby. Cover us, Big 2.
May kalaban ba yan?
Sir, friendly ba to sa harap?
Friendly. Ang assault is nasa my gate na sila.
Yung sa
Focus na
pader,
kayo sa external. Alright, Big 1. Adjust tayo.
Can you provide suppressive fires sa harap ng end point of entry nila?
Sending in Big 1. Kay David. Bravo pala.
Moro silang
Bravo,
pinasa
scoping.
point of entry.
Alright, Ramonito. Point of entry. Gun ka sa kanila. Sa loob.
Okay, sir.
May ice ka.
Negative pa, sir? Wala. Negative.
Tamaan si Chris Gonzales. Down si
Wait,
Chris
down.
Gonzales.
Alright, Big 2. Focus lang kayo dyan sa
MSR natin.
Copy. Nix, MSR tayo, MSR. Focus ka sa MSR.
Ano yung MSR?
We got one man down.
May south, Nix, may south.
Okay.
Cover ni
Kasi tayo
Victoria
talaga.
dyan eh.
Kasi tayo talaga pag may mask.
Kapit na southwest. Southwest tayo.
Southwest.
Southwest. Sa may tree line.
Southwest, 3 line. Copy. Walang mga rock.
Yan, good position, may tayo sa kanya.
Phoenix, ikaw para sa southwest, akong para sa southeast.
May dadating daw po bang ano? Kalaban.
We don't know.
May vehicle sa loob, sir.
Hindi ka, isog ko pa. Para makita mo yung daan.
Technical.
Yan.
Permission to fire on technical.
May good view ko sa ano, sa MSR. Sa northwest.
Okay, MSR. Northwest. Wait,
Oh, yan, yung daan na yan.
wait, check ko. Meron.
Okay.
Enemy coming from west side.
West side.
Coming from the west.
Cover ka, Jericho. May siya open
Check
dyan.
ko.
Sabi.
You got your eyes.
Bravo, be advised. Compromise yung main channel natin. Ay, be advised na huwag kayo mag-connect dun. It's a net call. Merong incoming convoy southwest.
Southwest. Incoming convoy, southwest. Ay, may kotse.
I got eyes on rock.
West.
Clear, block na. West. Clear.
Oh, no.
Fire!
Oh, wala na akong bala.
Conserve mo na amon yan, sir.
Yan,
Wait lang,
pakontrol
wala
lang.
bala.
Send traffic. Do it. We don't have time na. Alright, Alpha.
Clear blast!
Alright, Bravo. Set security. Alpha, get in the Humvee. Get rep. All in, get in. Everyone get in. Everyone get in. Alis na tayo.
All in na Alpha.
Bravo, get in. Mount up na.
Full na ba yan?
Anong direction ng ano natin? Exit.
FOB. FOB, let's go. FOB na.
Jericho, pasok ka, Jericho! Ay! Wala na pala. Sa kabila, Jericho.
Pero nasa...
Okay, so while at it, one went well, one went wrong, and
Go ahead.
sustain. One went well. You were able to carry out the movement, no? Magandang anong need mo, Mara? Ha? Penging?
Zeus Hill.
Zeus Hill o Zeus?
Jesus mismo.
Zeus mismo.
Be specific.
Sir, nagbibigay ka ng juice? Pingin juice.
Juice.
Banana
Banana juice lang meron sa atin ngayon, ha? But anyways, wait lang. So went well again. You were also able to proceed sa SOP tulad ng CQB, clearing. Hindi kayo nag-hesitate na gamitin yung mga assets nyo. That's good. No? When our sustain, I want you guys to sustain the strategic planning. Maganda siya. I didn't know na may option pa kayo or may other quote-unquote creative ways pa kayo kung paano nyo siya napasok. Actually, nung tinititigan ko siya, kung i-infantry nyo lang yan, naisip ko parang mahirap. Pero at the same time, nagawa nyo ng paraan eh. Kasi multiple MG positions yun nandun. May mga snipers na tumitira sa inyo. Pero at the same time, na ano nyo pa rin, na maso nyo pa rin, napasok nyo pa rin. So sustain that behavior. And I like na although kailangan nyo lang i-polish ng onte, may nagte-take agad ng second in command. Ang nangyari lang, medyo nag-radio traffic kasi hindi nagkasundo kung sino yung kumuha.
User joined your channel.
Pero good job on that too. Now, what went wrong is, of course, mga grenades. Again, yung fragments, pag nagbabato kayo ng grenades, tumatalsik yan. So, ang dami ako nakitang na knockout due to their own grenades. Actually, mas maraming na knockout sa grenades kaysa sa binabaril ng
I
I need to know. I need to know how many. Sino yung na-down palagi? Sa Alpha
I
Team
can
yan
see,
eh.
I saw
Ako
2
sir,
to 3.
ako yung nagtatapon.
2 to 3 person na nag-down. Si Poise, isa, kitang-kita pa sa camera. Nagbato
Tinamaan
siya,
si Sir Jarm doon sir.
nagbato siya sa empty na watchtower. Tapos last thing na nakita ko, nakahiga na siya.
Ikaw pala yung ano, yung sinabing pasok.
Grenade!
Throwing. Oh shit!
Ay, shit! Granada ulit!
Yes Sir
Pasok
Jarm.
tapos may granada pala sa loob. Waiting to
Tapos,
go.
sino nag-idea ng ano, yung ginagrenade launcher niyo yung factory? Factory yun, hello!
Si...
Try lang.
Sino yung grenadier ninyo, Jarm?
Actually, yun yung idea namin. Tapos sabi ko, sige nga, Sir Chris, try natin. Tapos
Okay, another
okay.
notable thing sa what went wrong. Of course, this goes to any leadership. Pag sinabing seek and destroy mission, ano bang ginagamit natin pang-destroy ng asset or ng gamit? Grenade ba?
No. Demo.
Demolition block. Demo
So, why didn't I see anyone carry?
George.
Kahit
Yeah. Ako din eh. Hindi ko lang ako nakikita eh.
Yep, yun yung naligtaan ng Alpha Team.
Sige lang. Pero ano lang, so we don't talk about it, what happens inside. Okay lang, okay lang tayo, Alpha Team?
I had to adjust it kasi naawa na ako. They're like scrambling for anything that they can use to para mapasabog lang yung factory na yun. And naawa na ako kasi tatlo na nga yung nadadown due to fragmentation. And I don't want it to be hassle pa sa mga medic kasi unang-una sa namatayan na kayo ng isang medic tapos
slog.
Oh,
1
ganun pa.
PA.
Ano naman, I'm not trying to put you guys in a spotlight pero since madami na tayo ngayon, let's be a good example sa ating mga new people. Especially isipin nila.
Yeah, especially yung pagbato ng granada.
Labas na ang ulo ko, pak!
But
Sabi ko sa'yo.
oh my god. You have to be careful talaga when approaching the enemy, especially try to pick kahit konti lang habang nakita mo yung opportunity mo. I took the opportunity to get a headshot yung nasa tower eh. After na down si Chris eh. Dahan-dahan lang, slowly lang. Don't rush. Chill.
Hindi tayo special forces para madaliin ang bagay. We need to move slow and concise. Okay?
Slow and steady. Slow and steady, fast as she goes.
Pero yun lang naman ang observation ko na Zeus POV. All in all, mission success. Congratulations guys. Be proud to yourselves kasi you were mostly coordinated naman when assaulting that compound. Actually, natawa lang ako kasi hindi na-recognize ni Rico.
Ang alin?
Yung compromise radio scene. It's already suspicious nung tinatanong na kung ilan kayo.
Come in.
Send traffic HQ. This is Singer Actual.
Copy. What's your position?
We are, me and Alpha Team, me, Bravo, and Alpha are currently here at the factory. Bravo is standing
Hello,
by
Stingray?
the point of entry.
Baka maling
Alright. Hello. This is Stinger Actual. What's your position? We're currently here at the factory grid. Standby for mark coordinates 048 break 102. I repeat 048 break 102. How copy over? Copy. How many men do you have?
Meron akong demolition block.
Counting estimate number 11 men, 11 elements, all still alive. However, one is KIA. How copy over? Do you have any friendlies across the map? Yes, we have friendlies across the map. They're standing by at the here at FOB near in Kambani. Thank you for the intel. Who am I speaking to?
Sir Boss Log.
You'll see.
Oh. Yeah, sorry, my bad. My bad. May na-compromise sa radio natin eh. So it took me mga ilang minuto, mga 2 to 3 minutes to figure out. I was like, may unknown transmission Tapos nag-radio ako sa HQ eh. For for double checking, right? So yeah, doon ako napansin eh. It came into my head na compromise tayo. So na-suggest ko na sina Jarm and Moro na tayo, switch tayo sa bagong frequency because we've been compromised.
Bravo, be advised, compromise yung main channel natin. Be advised na huwag kayo mag-connect dun.
Ang kulit pa na accent dun na, Stingray, what's your position? How many are your guys?
yan ang red flag ko.
Do you have any friendlies? Yung pa lang
Yung red flags ko eh. It's like,
Tapos,
okay.
naghalata pa ako, sabi ko, okay, thank you for the intel. Sabi ko, wait, who's this? Sabi pa niya. Sabi ko na lang, you'll see.
You'll see.
Anyways, yun lang naman sa akin for my went well, went wrong, and sustain.